am Lieutenant Colonel Mayur. I am a veteran of the Indian Army Mechanized Infantry Regiment. We are here today at Powai. We are having a get-together of veterans under the aegis of an organization, an informal organization called Mumbai Corporate Veterans. We are about 3 years old, and it's an informal organization because we don't have any formal structure. We all interact with each other to promote each other, to collaborate, and to further objectives like veteran transition placements and veteran entrepreneurship. So looking forward to huge participation in the future also. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Sure.
And I come to your Pollard.
Anytime.
Thank you, sir.
So, you are Major. So, how do you like coming here, and how was it like? You think it's really
I think it was a very good menu, first of all.
that is there?
It's really amazing. It's a very good view. And it's a great place to interact with everyone. Met a lot of good people, including yourself. So I really had a great time. I think it was a change from the regular routine affairs that we conduct.
Good place to network and all.
Yeah, I found some interesting people and some old friends as well.
Great. What about you?
Yeah, even this is probably the second or third time that I'm attending the MCV, and probably the earlier venues were for the establishment. This is the first time that perhaps we're having it in a. So it's good, and
Where are you staying like?
I stay at
Mumbai?
I
You
am
come
based
from?
out of Mumbai. I work with an IT company.
Okay.
And so it was good to see people from different walks of life, like I mean military veterans who are into different fields. I mean that is one good thing, and you get to know what everybody else is doing or what people are actually doing, because traditionally you see army or navy or air force people getting into admin and security roles. Here we could see people from different into different
Professions, different fields.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yes,
So, this is
I'm Lieutenant Naveen,
okay.
and presently I am doing a course in I am Mumbai. I am doing the course.
You are not retired as
No, I
yet.
am not retired. We are not retired. In fact, we are retiring in September.
Okay.
So before that, this is the first kind of interaction we are having here with the corporate veterans in Mumbai. It was an amazing experience, and we enjoyed. We interacted a lot with people, and a lot of insights which we got through this interaction. So I hope again have this kind of interaction.
Lovely. And you, Colonel Alawat?
Yeah, Ravindra Alawat. Well, I share the same views as this, and it's always good to meet our brothers from the same fraternity. It's always good to learn from their experiences, what they are going through, what they have gone through, and they have given us a lot of inputs and insights and how we should plan our step into the corporate.
Lovely. Thank you. So, Sumesh, are you coming for the first time here?
No, ma'am, I've been here associated with Mayur for quite some time.
Really?
Yeah, so he started it young, about 4-5 years back.
So, you've been coming for 4-5 years?
I've been in and about.
Uh-huh.
When I was in IM Mumbai, that is when I attended. It was a small scale in a US club. Then this is a grant. It's a grant. Last time it was a successful event. This is again a big event.
It's a big event, yeah.
It's a big event.
And it's
People
good
have,
to...
People have come from Meerut, people have come from Surat, people have come from a lot of places. I mean, it's becoming a big event.
So, you think this will help people connect and
It's going to
networking?
help because फौजी है कुछ ना कुछ networking तो होना ही है.
Great, great. Thank you.
कहीं कुछ कर लेते हैं क्यों सर?
So, how do you like coming here and networking? You think it was worth coming.
It's a great initiative and a great gathering here. Really could meet Fauji's working in various corporate fields, and they can really help other Fauji's who are coming out. We had a few people who are transitioning from Fauj into the corporate world, so it will be great for them also, and it'll be a great initiative which has been taken by Mayur. Thank you.
Thank you.